Hi, this is Tim from Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Today I'm going to show you something special. We got this nice black 2013 Hyundai Elantra. It's got the nice alloy rims. It's really clean. The front end is super clean. Usually vehicles this low to the ground get scrapes being here on Hawaii, but this one's actually really clean. It has the nice two-tone interior. It has black and tan. Me personally, I find it aesthetically pleasing. Right here on the steering wheel has some nice features. You can control the radio, the cruise control, cell phone. This car comes with Bluetooth, XM radio, and has your aux port, USB port. I know it's kind of hard to get lost on an island, but right up on the rear view mirror you have direction, a digital direction. So just drive in a big circle. You'll find, if you pass the airport twice, you'll know where you're at. The back seat for this being a subcompact vehicle actually offers a lot of space, nice amount of leg room for all your brothers and friends. For the age of the vehicle, the paint job is still holding on very nice. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but this black in particular actually has a little bit of a twinkle to it, a little sparkle. Same thing. All right. And I'm Tim. Come down and see me.